Welcome back. Let's get sporty. After losing by a solitary goal to Kenya in the African Nations Championships at Kasarani Stadium, DR Congo say they will go back to the drawing board to correct their mistakes ahead of their next game.
The opponent team has good athletic players, and I think that they are in the continuation of what they are used to do. So they'll probably have the same issues as us in the physicality issues when they're going to go so far in the competition. But they are a good team, and we can just hope for them for the best luck. For sure, we're going to make some change. We just have our all players yesterday. So our key players that could not play today, but we hope we're going to try to make them play the next game.
On a similar note, the opening match of the postponed CHAN 2024 brought